Hello everyone. This video is about Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Karakam is karma. Karakam means the word which is related to verb. Now example is Balakaha pustakam pathati means a boy is reading the book. Here pustakam is karma and vibhakti is Dvitiya. Here pathati is verb means reading. Who is reading? Balakah, that is karta, having vibhakti prathama. And what he is reading means pustakam, that is karma. Another example is Balika rotikam khadati. A girl is eating a roti. Here rotikam is karma. Next example is Chhatraha phalani khadanti means students are eating fruits. Here phalani is karma. Why? Because what are students eating? That is fruits. That's why it is karma. We all know about Vande Mataram, but actual sentence is Aham Mataram Vande. Aham is karta, that means I. I am praying to whom? That is mother. That's why Mataram is karma. Next example is Tvam Jalam Pibasi means you are drinking a water. Here Tvam is karta and Jalam is karma. Now here are forms of Dvitiya Vibhakti of most of the words. Now Pullinga words. Deva which ends with a. Devam Devau Devan. Kavi ends with e. Kavim Kavi Kavin. Bhanu Bhanum Bhanu Bhanun. Pitru ends with ru. Pitaram Pitarau Pitrun. Rajan ends with an. Rajanam Rajanau Ratnyah. Strilinga Shabdaha. Lata ends with a. Latam Late Lataha. Mati ends with e. Matim Mati Matihi. Nadi ends with e. Nadim Nadyau Nadihi. Matru ends with ru. Mataram Matarau Matruhu. Dish ends with sh. Disham Dishau Dishah. We have so many words which ends with sa, sh, ja, etc. Now Napusakalinga Shabdaha. Phala ends with a. Phalam Phale Phalani. Vari ends with e. Vari Varini Varini. Madhu ends with u. Madhu Madhuni Madhuni. Manas ends with sa. Manaha Manasi Manausi. Naman ends with an. Nama Namani Namani. Now from such forms you can make sentences. Dhanyavadaha.